Hi, this is Ken with WTI.
This Oracle vinyl in gold has been really a nice vinyl to work with. I pretty much can put it any kind of surface and it will stay. And one of the things that I like about it is because it's such a long roll, you can actually make your project as long as you want them. As long as you have the mat, you just can adjust the length and cut it the size that you need to. And when the machine is cutting the vinyl, it runs really smooth, as you can see, and super simple to weed all the excess from the project. And that's it. This is the final product. I love the way it came out. And I know I can write on top of it and the vinyl is going to be okay. And I love how resilient it is because this mark it has been in use for a couple of years now and the vinyl's still going strong. And that's my point of view.